Hello, I'm Stephen Jenkins, and this video is to explain to you how to use reading biblical Greek alongside Jeremy Duff's Elements of New Testament Greek to learn first-year Greek from scratch. Now, all I'm telling you here is found in the opening chapter, which describes how to use the textbook, so by all means, read that instead. If you're learning Greek in a classroom with a teacher, please do whatever your teacher tells you. This video assumes that you're teaching yourself and don't have someone helping you. So each chapter of reading biblical Greek begins with a section called Extra Help, which is where I explain to you how to work through that chapter of Duff's textbook. I give you a little bit more help like I would in a classroom. You will also find a file online that has, for example, a list of typos in Duff and any particular instructions that are needed. What you will then have is that instead of the short paragraph of Greek that eventually you're given as an exercise at the end of a chapter of Duff, I've given you a longer and simpler passage of Greek which you can read fully if you have worked your way to that point in Duff. And online, you will find a list of questions walking you through the passage carefully to make sure that you understand why the Greek means what it means. So that's to help you not just guess your way to a translation, but also it's to make sure that whatever you don't understand, along with the questions, online there's a file with answers which points you at the exact place in Duff which explains whatever it is that you haven't understood. So that will always be thoroughly reviewing the chapter you're working on. It'll be full of notes on the most recent chapters and full of notes on anything from earlier that is particularly tricky and might have caught you out. What you will also find online is that all of the vocab that's in Duff is there as a PDF with the accents put in, and it's also there as a file for a particular currently popular vocab learning package. All of the grammar tables that are in Duff are online, again with accents put in them. There are some tables that help you see the verb and the noun at a glance as they keep going. And then you will see that the third part of each chapter of reading biblical Greek is called extra material, and that's for you to think about after you've worked through a first year of Greek, so don't worry about it yet. So I really hope that you will enjoy reading biblical Greek.